Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fold t-shirts to save space. I've been thinking a lot about t-shirts lately and I've come up with some really cool methods as well as two classics here that you will definitely like. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make this organizing and folding videos. So let's jump right into it. I want to start out by maybe we can do a really cool one first. Okay, so this is one that's going to save you a lot of space when you fold your t-shirt, but it does take a little bit of time compared to the other two methods. So the first thing you want to do is start with a t-shirt laying down, facing up like so. From here we're going to fold the bottom up like this. A couple of inches should be enough. You know, if you have 10-15 centimeters, then that's totally fine. Okay, so when we've done this, we're going to fold the arms in to the middle like so that we have a straight line on each side. From here, we're going to split the t-shirt into 3 parts. So we're going to fold both sides in like so. From here, I'm actually going to turn the t-shirt around so that we have this little fold at the bottom facing up. You want to straighten out the t-shirt a little bit, otherwise this method can kind of mess up your t-shirt, wrinkle it up a little bit, but you're going to save a lot of space. Depending on how tight you want the t-shirt, you're going to save more space if you roll it up tighter, but again, you risk more wrinkles. So let's just fold it up to the top. And once we've reached the top, we're going to grab a hold of the entire thing here and lift it up. Make sure that it doesn't unravel. So from here you have this little fold that we made. We're going to take this fold and fold it over the rest of the t-shirt, like so. And from here you will be left with this tiny little ball. It's great for travel, it's great if you really want to save some space in your drawer, but it does take a little bit of time to roll up. The next method I want to show you is one that's gotten really popular over the last couple of years. It's called the file folding method. It's really popular if you read that book by that Japanese lady. So let's start out by folding in the arms like so. That's more than enough. Again, a straight line. You want to straighten it out a little bit so you can avoid the wrinkles. As you can see, this t-shirt has been rolled up for a while. This can happen if you keep them rolled up for too long. It gets kind of wrinkly. Anyway, let's get back to the file folding. So you want to fold in again 1/3 on this side and 1/3 on the other side. So for this method, we're actually going to take the entire t-shirt and fold it over in half up to the top like this, and from here we're going to split it in thirds one more time. The first third of the shirt could be a little bit smaller than the other two, but it doesn't really matter that much. Roll it over one more time like so. What you're left with is this nice little stackable thing here that you can stack next to each other in your clothing drawer. I'll show you that in the video I'm going to make next with the whole clothing drawer reorganization thing. Now the next method that I'm going to show you is a really cool one. I've actually made it myself, so it's a brand new method here. It's a lot quicker than the first method, but it is kind of similar in the style. So we'll start with folding in the arms on both sides, like so. Then we again fold in thirds on both sides. And from here we are going to start rolling all the way up to the top. And again, depending on how tight you want to roll, that's up to you. Tighter roll, more space saved, but also you risk more wrinkles and creases on your shirt. So once you reach the top, you want to kind of hold back the opening here so it exposes the collar area. You grab hold on the entire thing and you fold the collar over the rest of the shirt, like so. So again, you're left with this nice tiny little ball. And that's really 3 great methods you can use to save space. And also I have a bunch more folding videos that you can check out to save more space. And also you could reorganize your entire clothing drawer here.